Okay, the function f is defined by this formula. Write an equation, keyword is equation, for line tangent to the graph of f at x equal -3. So it's this picture from my golden notes. The point is x equal -3. I need the y-coordinate here. So f of -3 is square root, because remember right here, f finds points on the curve. The golden notes. So we have 25 minus, the x-coordinate is -3. I always use parentheses when replacing a variable. We'll save mistakes. So this is going to be the square root, 25 minus, -3 squared is 9. So that's the square root of 16, which is 4. When they give you a square root and you use that square root in a computation, you do not consider plus and minus. If you are solving an equation and you use a square root, you create the square root, then you have to consider both positive and negative roots. So I know the point. I'm using this equation to find the equation of a line tangent. I've got to find m, the slope of the line, right there. So, come over here, that means I need a derivative. So I take the derivative, so I write f prime of x is equal to 1 over 2 times the square root of 25, subtract x squared, multiplied by the derivative, so d, of what was inside the root, this is a constant. The derivative constant will be 0. The derivative of x squared will be -2x. So my f prime formula is -2x divided by 2 square root 25 minus x squared. I'm trying to find f prime of x equal -3. So write on my paper, f prime of -3 is equal, these 2's can divide out, so negative, replace the x with parentheses, and -3. I've already done this bottom thing a minute ago, so I know that this denominator is going to be 4. The numerator will be negative times negative is positive. So that's going to be a positive 3/4 is my slope. So because positive 3/4 is my slope, I know the equation of my line tangent is going to be y equal the slope, 3/4, times x minus the x-coordinate, which is -3, plus the y-coordinate, which was 4. If you have the green statement as the equation of a line tangent, you get 2 points on this problem. If you found the slope but didn't successfully find the equation, they would give you 1 point.